No. Wait. Oh my god, it wasn't working the whole time. Ayan. What are you most excited about going to Hong Kong?
Chinese people.
Yung may bato. Sisigaw ako. Darna.
Face.
Camera.
Face.
Nikki's. Oh, sumunod ka. Dito.
Oh, all the way
Oh,
here.
CCTV
Dito ka.
yarn. Ay, oh! Dito. Hindi ako pwede magtago dito. Ah! Tuwang-tuwa eh.
Hello guys, we're packing and we're going to Hong Kong. Nikki, wanna say hi?
Hello.
Kia. Hello, ASMR. You have to tell them where we're going, what we're doing.
So, hi guys. Wait lang. Hi guys. Hindi ako kasama, pero bida-bida.
Uy, grabe. Nakita niyo yun. What are you most excited about going to Hong Kong?
Disneyland.
Ikaw po dito.
Mickey Mouse.
Okay. What about you?
Chinese people. Chinese people.
Ikakat po natin yung part na yun. Ikaw po, what are you most excited about today?
Comment down below. Saan tayo today?
Sa aeroplano.
Ay.
Sa America.
How long will the flight be?
Probably 1 hour.
Assumably. Hindi pa sure.
1.5 hour.
1.5.
1.5.
Isang movie yun. What's the first thing you're gonna do in Hong Kong?
Buy coffee.
Eat.
How about you?
Ganun din. Coffee, eat.
Coffee.
Actually, nirent namin yung buong plane.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hong Kong. It is a safety requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off.
Where?
In the plane.
Yeah, we're in Hong Kong na. We're in the airport.
And then,
Ayun lang. We're gonna tram to...
carousel area. Then we're gonna go to... Nakalimutan ko yung carousel number. 2.
2.
And then, we go meet the driver there.
Eye level.
Bye-bye.
Hello guys, we are in Hong Kong but we've discovered a problem real quick. Because
And we are trying to solve the problem.
Yeah, we're trying to solve it. We are actually waiting for an Uber na. Nahiwalay tayo kala tita. No?
Yes.
Nahiwalay kami kala tita. We had to ride an Uber. Because in a car, since puno na ng luggage yung likod. And then, parang 2 seats or 3 seats available. 3 naman, di ba? Isa sa harap.
Actually, oo.
There were 3 seats available but the car cannot sit 4 if puno yung likod. Kasi it's like safety, mahuhuli siya, matatanggalan ng lisensya. So now we are waiting for an Uber to ride to go to Park Hotel. And yeah, we're just waiting. We're in the airport. We'll let you guys know.
Bye!
Natitingin kami ng gym.
Bibili si tita tatlong sing-sing dito.
Para kanino? Yung may bato. Sisigaw ako. Darna.
We're done eating. Now we're freezing.
we're not allowed to go up pa ng until 2.
Until,
so
yeah.
we're walking around a little bit. And
AKA in front of the hotel. Kasi nilalamig na
Yeah.
kami. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Ay!
So, una namin ginawa, syempre, ay kumain. Ito lang yung malapit sa Park Hotel. I forgot na kung ano tawag. Pero malapit lang doon. So, yan, kumain ng curry. Si Kuya, American platter to with fish fillet. Tas, I like steamed egg kasi. So, parang seafood steamed egg to na sinaserve doon. So, that's what I got. Yung kay Nikki naman parang Hainanese chicken type food. Ito yung first meal namin kasi ang gagawin namin after this is Sky 100.
Hi there!
Hi there.
Nasa ano tayo?
Sky 100.
Sky 100 pala. Nakalimutan ko.
Hello!
Hello.
Hello. Ano siya?
Tayo na lang.
We're at Sky 100. 393 meters above sea level. So above the sea.
Uy, mag-picture
Darling, it's
tayo.
better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
Say hi. It is day... It's still 1.
It's still 1 kasi hindi pa kami natutulog, but technically it's day 2.
So, we'll see you again tomorrow.
Yeah, like later.
Under the water, yeah, we lucky down in the mucky under the sea.
Chinese people.